Hello everybody and welcome to the TriStar Hidden Treasures Mini Football Helmet Box Break. Let's get into it. With 5 spots we have JAA. With 9 spots we have Tarek HD. With 1 spot we have Eddie. With 4 spots we have Josh. With 2 spots we have D Blake. With 7 spots we have Frankie's. With 1 spot we have ALF. With 1 spot we have Nick. With 1 spot we have VDD. With 1 spot, we have Big Bank. Alright, let's copy and paste our list on randomize.org. Alright, we'll be randomizing our list 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, on the top we have Tarek, and at the bottom we have Frankie's. Let's copy our new list. Alright, here's our list. Tarek with the Cardinals and Falcons, Josh with the Ravens, D Blake with the Bills, JAA with the Panthers, Frankie's with the Bears, JAA with the Bengals, Frankie's with the Browns, Tarek with the Cowboys, Frankie's with the Broncos, Josh with the Lions, Big Bank with the Packers, Tarek with the Texans, VDD with the Colts, Nick with the Jaguars, JAA with the Chiefs, Eddie with the Rams, Frankie's with the Chargers, Josh with the Dolphins, Frankie's with the Vikings, ALF with the Patriots, JAA with the Saints, Tarek with the Giants and Jets, Josh with the Raiders, D Blake with the Eagles, Tarek with the Steelers, Frankie's with the 49ers, Tarek with the Seahawks, JAA with the Buccaneers, Tarek with the Titans, and Frankie's with the Redskins. Alright, let's open up our box. Ooh. There we go. The newest edition. Want more hits, that's for sure. Want more redemption prizes. Walter Payton in there. Pretty impressive. Alright, let's open up our box. Alright, let's open up that seal. Hold on. Perfect. Alright, let's see what we got today. Oh, the card is on the top. We'll flip that over. Oh, it's coming in a bag. Alright. Oh, jeez. Alright, I'm sorry about that. The helmet rolled over. The Alabama Sooners, I think. I believe that is, yeah. I'm somewhat familiar with the college football teams. It's a nice helmet, that's for sure. I don't know why it comes in a bag. That's pretty odd. The past, I think, the helmet before that came in a bag, and then so did the other. But, let's see who it is. Brian Bosworth, the Boz. The Butkus Award. National Champion. one of the best linebackers to play the game in college. The biggest contract in Seahawks history. Ranked number 30 on the all-time best college players. Wow. That's a big accomplishment. I say that's a good poll. I mean, wow. That's impressive. Cool. The Boz. I haven't heard of him before. Let's look him up. See what team he played for the longest. That's who the helmet will go to. Bosworth. Here he is. Brian Bosworth. Yep, he did play for the Sooners. Cool. College Football Hall of Fame, so we did get a College Football Hall of Famer. And it looks like he's played his whole career with the Seattle Seahawks. That'll be going out to the Seattle Seahawks. He was also a first-round pick. Pretty cool. Alright, that's going out to the Seahawks. Let's see who's got him. That is Tarek HD _USMC. Congratulations, you win a Brian Bosworth autographed mini helmet. Posted another if you guys want to check that out. I got the Gold Rush mini helmet, and then I have the Hit Parade full-sized helmet, both college and NFL. If you guys want to check that out, limited spots left. Alright, thank you guys so much for joining. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.